In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide zero values in Google Sheets using conditional formatting. If you've ever needed to maintain a clean and concise spreadsheet without showing those pesky zeros, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in together and simplify your data presentation. We'll start by selecting the cells where zeros are currently visible and that you wish to hide. This could be a specific column, row, or even the entire sheet. It's entirely up to you, depending on how much of your data you want to format. Once you've made your selection, look towards the top of your screen. There, you'll notice the Format option in the menu bar. Click on it, and a drop-down list will appear. From here, select Conditional Formatting. This action will open a panel on the right side of your screen, presenting various settings that we can tweak. In this panel, you'll want to focus on the Format Cells If section. Here, you will see a variety of options. We'll need to choose the rule is equal to. If this format rule isn't already visible, click the small arrow or drop down beside it and scroll through until you find is equal to. Click on that to select it. Now that we've specified the rule condition, it's time to tell Google Sheets exactly what to look for. In this case, we want to focus on the value 0. Enter a row in the text box provided. This tells Sheets to apply our formatting only to those cells containing zeros. The next section we need to adjust is the formatting style. By default, you'll see some standard formatting options, such as bold text or changing the text color. For our purpose of hiding the zeros, we need them to blend seamlessly with the cell's background. To achieve this, we'll change the text color to match the background. For instance, if your cell background is white, click on the small paint bucket icon and select white as the text color. If your background color is different, like a light gray or any specific shade, choose that same color for the text. The idea is to make zero values invisible against the cell backdrop without actually deleting them. After adjusting these settings, click Done at the bottom of the panel. You'll instantly see that those zero values are camouflaged and hidden from view. This method leaves your data intact and operational as needed for calculations or further data processing, but offers a much tidier appearance at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully used conditional formatting to hide zeros in Google Sheets. It's a neat trick to keep your spreadsheets looking clean and professional. Thanks for following along with me today. And as always, keep exploring new ways to make your data work even better for you.